How to check call history on Google account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to check the call history on Google account, all you need to do is launch the Chrome browser on your device. Now as you do that, tap on the search bar and search for voice.google.com. So tap on this option and then here you'll be able to see the Google Voice option at the very first. So tap on it and then make sure that you sign in. So tap on sign in and make sure that you log into your account. Now as I log into my account here, it says Google Voice is not available in your country yet. So you can just use VPN or any other application so that you can get the Google Voice application available for your region. Otherwise you would not be able to use this service in your region. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.